Hi, this is Paul with Equipt Expedition Outfitters. One of the most often questions we get from our customers regarding the BAT 270 awning is how do you close it up? And the questions regarding the material on the front of the awning. It can get really tight in there unless you do it in a correct manner. The cover is a square cover, and if you roll the material up, it becomes too big to fit in the cover. So let me show you how we do it, and it works every time. First of all, what you do is you take the material set that's hanging from the BAT awning, you fold that in half, right up to about there. Now we're going to fold it flat. I take about from the arch of my thumb to the top of my fingers, as far as an amount of material, about 4 inches. You fold it once, fold it again, and then you roll that flat fold onto the face of the BAT awning. Clips come around, go in here. We stow the strap right up inside this area here. Final clip. Cover goes over the top. Now, when we do the zipper, you'll notice that the cover fits inside, or the material fits inside the cover. Relatively easy. Not too much of a problem. The cover's nice and snug that way, keeps it nice and tight, and on to the next adventure. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.